This is the CW6180 by 3 meter Puma lathe. It's a 800 swing machine with 3 meters between centers. Now this fella, it's being tested at the moment, pre-checked. This is going out to a customer in Western Australia. The machine comes with a 140mm spindle bore straight through, and that is good for 130mm bar. Here you've got your headstock, your feeds and speeds, your engagement lever, and everything really that makes the machine run. On the chuck, you've got a cover for safety. Machine comes with a 3-jaw and a 4-jaw chuck. There's your traveling steady, and over there is your fixed steady as well. The machine's got a 4-way tool post on for additional rigidity, and these machines have a compound feed. So instead of having a taper turning attachment, you've got a compound feed so you can do tapers. You've got a rapid traverse, and that's for longitudinal and cross. This machine is standard with a 2-axis digital readout, and over there you've got a work light. And here you've got your tailstock. You can see the bed is a nice, wide, heavy duty bed.